Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the battery level of the left and right earbuds are different. And the first one what we can do is to open the application and go to the settings at the right top. Now click on update firmware and make sure that you have the last version. I have the last one. If you haven't, just click download and then install. Also, what can help is to perform a hard reset. So remove your earbuds from the charging case and now press and hold both of the touch areas for at least 10 seconds. Here we go. Now we should remove it, so click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device. And now this earbuds enter to prank mode automatically, so just click on it at the device list. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. Oh, sorry, no, I forget the last one. So if all of these methods didn't help you, the last one what we can do is to fully charge your earbuds. And now that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!